the magic is, when you want to preview, it's like this.
Oh, nice.
Okay, you know I'm a power user and I've always been into Android flagships and also iPhones, right? Like this one. And I always feel that the OPPO Reno series is for casual users and not for me. But with the launch of the OPPO Reno15 series, it actually kind of changed my mind. So in this video, I want to share with you what got me excited about this. Let's go. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So as I mentioned just now, I got very excited with the Reno15 series. You know why? Because I first got to experience and also try it few weeks before launch, and we were at KL Sky Luge shooting content and also testing these devices. As you can see, here are some clips from that day, all shot using the Reno15 series. Other than the outlook and also the camera, I am actually very impressed with one of the features that I am still super excited until today. But before that, let's talk about the design. The shimmering effect at the back here is called Dancing Aurora Texture, and it's supposed to give the phone a design that looks alive and constantly moving like the Aurora. The camera panel also looks very shiny with this dynamic halo deco design. The ring around it is actually reflective, and in the middle is actually deep sparkle. The 6.59-inch AMOLED display on the front has very thin bezels and it's IP69 water and dust resistance. So outlook-wise, it feels very modern and also very shimmery. Remember that feature that impressed me even until today? That's coming after this, okay? But now, I want to talk about the selfie camera that changed the way I take selfies using a phone now. The front camera is 50 megapixel and it's ultra wide at 100 degrees field of view. That only means one thing, we can fit more people in them. Even if you are taking yourself, you are now able to show more of your surrounding instead of your face. Look at all these samples, aren't they amazing? The new selfie camera is also very wide. So wide that we can fit everyone here.
Oh, 0.5.
Yeah, no need to use this anymore.
Oh,
This is 0.5 now.
you still are using like this. Okay.
Correct, so let's take a selfie. Let's do this. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. One thing to note, we also appear slimmer in photos because we are using wide angle lens on the front. I mean, if that's a priority for you lah. Okay, here comes my super top favorite feature on the Reno15, and it's called AI Motion Photo Popout. So basically, we can now create collages using motion photos with just one tap. Oh my god! Can you imagine all the creative collages that we can create now using Popout? Do you know that all these pop-outs can also be shared to Instagram as well as Boomerang? Okay, so this is the OPPO Reno15, just launched. Okay, they have this feature that can help you make collage photos and then can move on. So for example, I take 2 photos of you both and then I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so now we go to the photos. I will select this, I will select this, and I can create a collage. Motion collage, correct?
Yeah.
So this is pointing at your friend, right?
Yeah.
But I can do this, I can make you come out from the frame. Can you see?
Yeah.
Now you're down here and you can realign this to be like that. And the magic is, when you want to preview, it's like this.
Oh, nice.
Nice, right?
Yeah.
So if you have 3 to 4 photos, you can have more frames.
frames.
So more friends can do things together. So easy, right?
Easy.
Easy to post.
Yeah. It's called Motion Photo Collage.
Oh, okay.
I do a simple photo to show you first. Okay, can I take a photo of you and you so I can put it inside to show you the demo?
Okay.
So, what I can do is, I open the Gamba just now, I select this, and then this, and then I tap on collage. Okay, I can put it down here. So you're up atas, okay? Like this. But what is nice is, I can tap this, I can do pop out, and then your hand will go up to her.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
There. Okay? So this is kind of cool, right?
Yeah.
But you can also make it move like this.
Okay, that's cool.
Cool, right?
Yeah.
So this one you can also post on IG story as boomerang.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so your photo will be like this. What do you think?
I think that's cool.
It's cool, right?
Yeah,
Cool.
it's really easy.
OK，我拍一张你放进去那个照片里面。OK，so 我现在给你看怎样做那个东西。Select 2张，我做这个 collage，motion collage。然后你看不到你们两个这边会动的吗？是不是？啊。特别的是，我可以按这个pop out，所以你会走出来的，走出那个 frame， 看到吗？
哇哦！
看到吗？所以我做这个，我也可以做这个给你，然后再挖一次。
哇哦！哇，还可以动哦，
还可以动诶。然后哦，它这个可以 post 去 IG Story 做 boomerang， 所以你的 IG Story 就会这样。
哇！
如果你有很多张照片，你可以做很多个 frame 一起。哇，厉害嘛？
厉害，特别很特别，
特别哦，
特别。
你觉得你有这个电话的话，你会用这个 feature 吗？
会啊，会省很多时间哦。
省多时间哦。
Story 的话，
因为通常我们要 edit 这样东西，我们不知道怎样做。
对。
哦。Now you might ask me, hey, the back camera on the Reno15 nice or not? Well, I can tell you that the 3.5x portrait is amazing. Look at all these photos. Nice, right? The background separation is good. It's basically like using an 85mm lens on a camera. The zoom also can go up to 120x. Now, of course, this is digital lah, but on the Reno, all the way up to 120x, that's crazy. One more feature worth mentioning here is AI Portrait Glow that brightens the subject when the photo is backlit. Sometimes when you take photo, the background too bright,
Yeah.
not nice, right?
To edit.
Correct. Now, you edit, you take an AI editor. There's this feature called AI Portrait Glow. Okay? And then you will analyze the picture, and then it suddenly becomes like studio like that. You are in studio but outdoor. See? So we zoom in a little bit, we can compare.
Wow.
And then you can also do intensity. You want soft, you want it harder, like that. So now, it feels like you're in the studio taking picture with light.
Non cameraman lah.
No need lah. See, the background doesn't affect one, you know. It's basically just the model in the picture. Looks good. Nice, right?
Right.
Now you can just take lah, any picture behind got sun lah, got spotlight, never mind. The face will surely be nice. So it's called the AI Portrait Glow. Okay, 0 to 10. How would you rate all these features on the Reno15? 10.
10.
You?
Same 10.
10 ah? Got 15, also give 15.
Okay, 100.
100.
100. Before this I use OPPO. I'm
Ah.
an OPPO user.
Oh.
So I love the OPPO camera.
Okay.
So now the new feature I'm like, okay, I really want that.
Now you don't have to use this like that cannot see face.
I think
This
I
is
need to
ultra wide.
change my phone.
So you don't want iPhone already.
Wow. Then I put this in the video lah, okay?
Oh, okay.
So the Reno15 is actually powered by ColorOS 16, which I think is the most advanced OS OPPO has ever launched. It is super smooth even though you are gaming, editing or doing any heavy tasks. They also promise 6 years fluency. And what does that mean? It basically means within 6 years, your phone will be super smooth without worries. AI Mind Space, a feature launched last year, is also on the Reno15 series now. We can record our thoughts, voice notes, screenshots all in one space that we can recall using AI anytime. Speaking of AI, there's also Google Gemini and also Gemini Live to help us with our day-to-day decision makings and also all the silly questions that we have in our minds. Hey Gemini, do you know what place is this?
I can't tell the name of the place, but I see a sign on the glass door that says Malaysia's first ever chilled drawer tiramisu. Maybe it's a dessert place.
Hey Gemini, can monkeys taste food?
Yes, monkeys can taste food, and their sense of taste is actually quite sophisticated.
There's also the ability to transfer files to iPhones using O+ Connect. Motion photos can also be transferred. Battery is also very big at 6500 mAh, with 80-watt SuperVOOC flash charge. For gamers, no worries about performance because it is powered by Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 with 4nm process. So graphics is snappy and animations are smooth. If you are interested in the OPPO Reno15 series, they are currently running first sale promo. You can get a free OPPO Enco Air 4 or Enco Buds 3 Pro depending on the model you purchase, along with 1 year screen protection. So I think for 2,999 you are actually getting a lot for the price, okay? Very good hardware, very good camera, very good design, AI features, and also pop-out feature that I really like a lot, okay? So if you want to know more, click on the link in the description below or check out OPPO Malaysia's website or social platforms. And if you love videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, click on the button below this video, share this video with your friends, and follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!